What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. I hope you guys are doing well. And in this video, I'm going to speak about what's happening with Bitcoin, what we have throughout the week. We have a lot of news this week, very, very important news. So we're going to be going over that, and then obviously speak about what setups I'm going to be taking. There's a lot of trades that I'm looking at for the week because Bitcoin did actually close relatively bullish on the weekly, but on the daily, not looking too good. So we're going to speak about that, and then obviously the most important levels for Bitcoin today. So I hope you guys do like the video. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get straight into it. Okay. So first off, let's have a look at Bitcoin and what is actually happening here. So we can see that Bitcoin right now, guys, is still trading within this channel, right? So it's still trading from this high to this low, this high to this low. And basically, guys, every single time we've created a higher low, a lower high and a lower low, right? So these are our lows in the market. And we are creating lower lows, which means we are still in this downtrend, right? We are still in this downtrend over here. And basically, this level that we're actually getting rejected by right now, the reason why I've got, this is your golden pocket. So between, I'll write it down here, okay? So between this level to this level, okay, we'll make it a little bit easier for you guys to see here. So we have this level here at 62,700, and then this level here at 60,983. Okay, so this was the short zone yesterday. I actually took some shorts on this level yesterday based on the continuous downtrend, right? So if price, so basically what I'm looking at is if price right now, let's have a look here. Let's go through it. So we took it from this high over here to this low, and then this is the box where you want to be taking shorts from, right? Because this is your lower high. But if price obviously goes above this point, then we will be coming to test up these levels again. So I did take a short based on just this, and also the moving averages on the lower time frames were obviously not looking too good. So you can see we broke structure, we broke trend to the downside, looking like we might come down a little bit lower today. But this is also essentially on the lower time frame, it's basically looking like you want to be taking it long within this zone, right? So we took a short over here, and then it broke that trend line, and then we took profit within this level. So I'll be looking to open some long positions today if we can get a nice reaction off this zone. So I want to come down a little bit lower, maybe back down to like 57,400. If we get a nice wick to the downside, then I'll be looking to long back up to the upside. So this is the level I'm going to be looking at for the day. So make sure you guys check it out. We'll put the labels on the chart so you can see. So 58,200, which is where we are right now. And then right over here, 57,428. Okay. So those are the levels you want to be looking to long for the day. We'll see what happens though. That's Bitcoin. Then we want to go through and see what's happening on the bookmap. So we take the weekly here. The weekly is showing that 60,000. Yeah, let's have a look here. Dig a little bit deeper here. Okay, yeah, 50. Yeah, that's where we're looking. 57,400, right? 57,400 is a key zone. Sorry about that, WhatsApp. 57,400 within these areas you're looking to long, right? That's what we spoke about. 57,400 over here. So the bookmap showing that there's a little bit of liquidity sitting there. Yeah, so I'll be looking at that for today. If we go down to the lower time frames, 58,000 and then 59,000. So this is going to be your trading range today. We're going to see buys at 58K. We're going to see sells at 59K. So you can look to range that up for the day. Okay. Same thing over here. Let's have a look at the long and short ratio. So right now, long and short ratio is basically, let's have a look here. 4 hour volume, 4 hour looking more. Margin longs got liquidated. Let's have a look here. It's a little bit 50-50. Looks like majority of people are shorting right now. Yeah, look at DYDX, 57% short. That's crazy. Bitfinex is 58%. Yeah, so a lot of people are a little bit more bearish right now. So the thing is, right now we can be looking to long around about 57,400 and 58K, back up to 59K. So just remember that. That's gonna be the trading plan for the day. And then also, guys, we have massive news there also. So PPI, and so that's tomorrow. So core PPI and PPI month to month. And then on Wednesday, we have CPI. So this week's going to be quite angry. It's going to be very, very hectic. So just be careful with obviously opening some positions before these times. It's going to be very volatile. We're going to see massive wicks to the upside, massive wicks to the downside. Obviously, we don't know the predictions, but overall looking very, very crazy. And also that's retail sales as well, unemployment claims. So this week's going to be quite hectic. Okay, yeah. So for today, we've got no news though, so that's fine. We've got Japan holiday, but tomorrow is going to be crazy. Okay. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin, guys. I think that we are actually making a lower high over here. But obviously, if we hold this level today, you can see this is a strong level, guys. It's a very, very strong level, 58,300, very, very strong. So if we hold that level, I'll be looking to long back up to these levels as well. Okay, so make sure you guys do check my Telegram group in the description. You guys can join there. I will be posting all my setups within that group. So I do appreciate everyone watching today. Thanks so much. Have a good one.